I/O Link is a globally standardized point-to-point communication protocol that connects sensors and actuators to automation systems. It transforms devices into smart sensors through bidirectional digital communication, giving you more connectivity, more control, and more insight on your operations. The Gemco 953 series VMax linear displacement transducer is a linear position sensor developed to meet the most demanding processing challenges. The highly versatile VMax offers absolute accuracy and reliability with high resolution and precision repeatability. We took this proven and long-standing performer to a new level. Now enhanced with I/O Link for advanced connectivity and diagnostics, allowing remote configuration and monitoring, flexible data handling, IODD parameter support, and universal compatibility with major fieldbus master systems. The VMax is designed to resist contaminants and extreme environmental conditions. It is IP68 rated for maximum protection. Its durability and reliability surpass competitive products, with lab-tested vibration resistance of 30 Gs and shock resistance of 1,000 Gs. Built to perform where others fail, the Gemco 953 series delivers uncompromising durability, precision, and long-term reliability in the harshest environments. Now enhanced with I/O Link for smarter communication, simplified integration, and real-time diagnostics. Visit AMETECFactoryAutomation.com to learn more.